Does TCL TV have a web browser? TCL TVs do not come with a built-in web browser by default, regardless of whether they run Roku TV, Google TV, or Android TV. However, certain TCL models running Google TV or Android TV allow users to download a third-party web browser from the Google Play Store. Roku-based TCL TVs, on the other hand, have very limited web browsing capabilities. 1. Web browsing on TCL Roku TV. TCL Roku TVs do not have a dedicated web browser. The Roku Channel Store offers limited browser options, but they lack full functionality. Some options include Web Browser X, a very basic browser with limited website support, Opera or Chrome via screen mirroring. You can mirror a browser from a smartphone, tablet, or computer using AirPlay or Miracast. 2. Web browsing on TCL Google TV and Android TV. TCL Google TV and Android TV models allow users to install web browsers from the Google Play Store. Some recommended browsers include Puffin TV Browser, a fast TV-optimized browser with basic web navigation. Google Chrome, not available directly in the Play Store, but can be sideloaded via APK installation. Mozilla Firefox can be installed using an APK file for web browsing. 3. How to install a web browser on TCL Google TV or Android TV. If your TCL TV runs Google TV or Android TV, follow these steps to install a browser. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your TCL Smart TV. Step 2. Search for a browser like Puffin TV Browser. Step 3. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Open the browser and navigate using your remote. For easier use, connect a wireless keyboard and mouse. 4. Alternative ways to browse the web on TCL TV. If your TCL TV does not support a browser, try these alternatives. Screen mirroring. Cast a web browser from your smartphone, tablet, or PC using Google Chromecast, AirPlay, or Miracast. Streaming devices. Devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Nvidia Shield, or Chromecast with Google TV offer better web browsing capabilities. Connect a laptop via HDMI. Plug in a laptop using an HDMI cable to browse the internet on your TV screen. TCL TVs do not include a built-in web browser, but Google TV and Android TV models allow users to install third-party browsers from the Google Play Store. TCL Roku TVs have extremely limited web browsing options, with no official browser support. The best alternatives include screen mirroring, using a streaming device, or connecting a laptop for full browsing functionality.